Want to reset power plans to default in Windows 11? Here's a quick guide to do it. Right-click on Start menu and select Run to launch the Run command window. In the Run command search box, type CMD and press the Ctrl+, Shift + Enter shortcut keys to launch the command prompt window in admin mode. In the command prompt admin window, run the below command and hit Enter. Power CFG, restore default scheme. Once done, close the command prompt window. It has successfully reset the power plans to default. Go to Start and type Edit Power Plan in the Windows search bar. Click on the result, Edit Power Plan, to open the settings in the Control Panel window. In the Edit Plan Settings window, click on the Change Advanced Power Settings link at the bottom. It opens the Power Options dialog box. Here, under the Advanced Settings tab, click on the Restore Plan Defaults button below. In the prompt that appears, click on Yes to confirm the action. Go to the right side of the taskbar and right-click on the battery icon. Now, select Power Options from the window. This will open the Power Options window in the Control Panel. Here, on the right side of the pane, under the Choose or Customize a Power Plan section, click on the Change Plan Settings link on the right side of the selected power plan. It will take you to the Edit Plan Settings window. Click on the Restore Default Settings for this plan. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.